intro today?
What's up, everybody? David Van Forest here. We're back with another video. Couple reviews cars today.
Alright, so today we're in Chase's. Chase is actually joining us. He's back there hiding because he's really
Embarrassed,
and he's in a lot of fear right now because Kennedy is at the wheel of this 2015 Chevrolet Camaro SS1LE with 500 horsepower to the wheels. Chase, what does that done to it?
It's cam, long tubes, cold air. That's it.
It's pretty much bolt-ons, Texas speed cam, some shitty ass intake, some long tube headers and exhaust, and it shakes like a fat chick.
I feel like I'm getting massaged.
Yeah, I feel like we're getting a massage, especially when you turn the AC on. All right, let's drive this shit.
First, undo the emergency first.
So yes, it's a manual, and yes, Kennedy can drive a manual, and should install it. This thing's kind of hard to drive actually because it lopes so hard that when you let the clutch out, it wants to die, so you gotta give it a little bit of gas.
Yeah, I'm not used
The
to
Kennedy's got the touch,
the Jetta
magic touch.
is a lot easier to handle. I'm going left or right?
Go right. Let's go right.
You're talking about this game show.
It is a game show. So it's got these cool little gauges down here for your oil pressure, oil temp, battery voltage, and trans temp. However, they're really hard to see because, well, they're way down here. So if you look down here, you don't get to look up here. It does. It has heads-up display, doesn't it?
Yeah, but like the camera can't see it.
I don't think the camera's gonna see it. But it does have heads-up display, which is kind of cool. A little distracting, but give us a little. Oh, she went to third already. Should have been in second.
No, I was already in second.
I'm saying like a second gear pull.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know that's what you wanted. I thought you were like saying I skipped from first to third.
No, what? No.
I wouldn't do that.
Don't break anything.
So it rides pretty smooth. Obviously, it's a newer car. It's got leather. The interior is pretty nice. It's kind of basic. Sorry, Chase. Chase is not allowed to say anything while we review his car. It was the only stipulation. So when this video's over, he's probably gonna beat the shit out of me. But it's got this painted plastic, which is kind of cool, but it looks kind of cheap at the same time. It's like, I don't know why it's so big. Like, what's the point of this? It does have a sunroof though. Kennedy.
I already opened it.
Kennedy's a fan of sunroofs. Chase probably has never opened this. Probably didn't even know he had a sunroof. And then Kennedy opened it. Is that true?
That's true.
Kennedy, thoughts so far? You're the one driving it, not me.
It drives good. That's I don't know. I've never really been a fan of.
Is it smooth? Is it
Camaros.
bumpy?
Yeah, it's pretty smooth, except for the whole moving part right now.
Yeah. So the drivability when it's idling, obviously. Well, we have the AC on too, so it's a little worse when it's idling. But I mean, it's normal for a cammed car. Do you like where the gauges are?
Yeah, I feel like everything is at a good reach. I like the leather on the dash.
Even though it's not real leather.
Right, but it adds a nice feature.
It is. It's a nice little touch. I mean, it's a Camaro SS. Yeah, get some nice stuff. 6-speed manual, which is pretty cool. A lot of cars don't come manual anymore, so that's cool. And it's about to rain, so we may die in this rear-wheel drive car. Look at her. Oh. Alright, so the problem we just had is Chase's throwout bearing's going out, so Kennedy has to pull the... Jeez. Kennedy has to pull the clutch out once it's all the way. Well, it's not all the way out, but you gotta pull it out. Way to go, Chase. Oh, shit. Thanks, how's it her fault that your tags are expired? I'll make sure to cut your address out. So we just got pulled over, not because we were speeding or anything, but because Chase's tags are expired.
And I
haven't had time to go get them renewed.
And, excuses, and Kennedy doesn't have her license on her. Nice job, Kennedy.
Anytime, yeah.
So -1 for Kennedy, -2 for Chase, +1 for Dave, because I'm just sitting here filming. So we just got a verbal warning because dumbass didn't renew his tag. So back to the review, and it's now pouring outside. Bet you won't race the car.
Hell yeah, I will. Piss me off.
Jesus Christ.
Gosh, interrupting our videos. What a guy.
Yeah.
What a guy. All right, so continuing the review now. So Kennedy's gonna get on it a little bit here. Chase is about to pee his pants. Just careful because it's raining.
Okay, wow, one thing I just noticed that I didn't like. Sorry, Chase. I can't see. The blind spots are awful.
Shift the car.
Oh, sorry, yes.
No, Chase wants us to preserve gas, shift to 3,000 RPMs here.
I've never...
But yeah, I've run people off the road by accident because of the blind spots.
Great. Make sure if you're in Amarillo, look out for the red Camaro. Chase can't drive
There's
for
like
shit.
12.
There's 12, but watch out for Chase's. Okay. Chase, I'm disappointed in this car.
Let me drive it.
I'm disappointed in this car, Chase.
Let me drive it.
No, because you want to start
She
like...
pulled it from 2014.
Chase's car is so slow.
Okay.
Just kidding. She started at a low RPM. She didn't start at a right
I
gear.
gear too.
So, it's got a little pep in it though. It is 500 horsepower. How much does it weigh? 3,800?
Yeah.
It weighs like 3,800 pounds, so it's still pretty heavy. But it moves out for all motor car. What did you run in the quarter?
12.6 and 114.
So he ran 12.6, 114 with a really shitty 60 foot because he has street tires on it. So if he cuts like a 1.6 or a 1.7, he'll be at low 12s. So it got a little pep to it though. Kennedy, faster than the Jetta? See if you guys can see this shake. It's not doing it as bad because it's not hot
Hold
out.
on. Chase says when you turn the air on, it shakes more.
Oh yeah, look at
Oh
that.
yeah, I'm feeling it.
Oh yeah. Final thoughts, Kennedy?
Overall, I give it a 7 out of 10.
That's Kennedy's score. I don't know what she's basing that off of. But this car is really cool. Like I said, 500 horsepower, 3,800 pounds, so it's pretty quick. It's not crazy fast, but it's pretty quick. And it's really fun to drive because it is a manual. Automatics get boring. But manuals are really fun. The only thing is, if you want to drive this in traffic all day, it would suck. Not because of the manual, but because of the cam profile. It's stage 2 cam, right? So for those of you that have Camaros and are watching, this is a stage 2 Texas speed cam. And that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe. Chase, what's your Instagram?
ACS at ACS138.
.138.
Is it not 138?
Pretty sure it is. I know his
It's not
Instagram.
138.
Kennedy McCall. More couple reviews coming. If you guys want to see a certain car, comment below. We'll find it.
ACS138.
And Chase pays for his followers. See you guys on the next one.